Corolla here, but main thing is we got Hayashi's on the Prius. Best car here, hands down. Shout out to Walter, saved us a good amount of time. Long line, but we got in. Got everything here from this thing to that thing. I was watching Super Street Garage and looks like they got the same kit. Okay. Okay. K or LS? Choose one. Pick a Honda Monkey. All right. How many tofu cars do you think we'll see today? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 just in this view. Is that a Zenki lip on top of a USDM bumper? SR5? I don't think these events have ever been this big. Have they ever been this big with this many people?
No, I don't remember it being
this
big.
Is
it used to be a very
low-key kind of thing, but you know, Japanese cars are on the map now. Dude even got the snorkel still.
AC right there, that's what you want.
Air conditioning.
When you get older, you want that AC.
My Tito John's car right here. He got some livery here. He got the GT on the side and his name, Domingo. Got Mad Mike's car here. Pikes Peak. Can you smell it? You can smell the race gas though. But yeah, this is not a Japanese classic car, but it is a cool car. This is a Japanese classic car. So it is a 787. I thought it was the previous generation. So I feel like there should be something on the ground that guides you that says go here first, then here, just so you don't miss everything, but we're making our own path. So many cars, a lot of people that come from all over the world just to attend this event. And now there's cars like this NSX. This was not a Japanese classic car before, was it?
No.
Was the NSX a Japanese classic car back then?
I mean, it is now.
It is now, Japanese supercar. There's just a sea of people here. Pikes
I don't know what this is. Just grabbing all the free stuff.
Alright, I can't even afford Yokohama tires.
Same.
Odyssey. I love Odysseys and I love the wagons. Look at, they're judging it right now. Look, you got side exit exhaust. RPFs. What engine do you think's in here? K20? Dude, they just keep popping up with these. Another A86. Got another Panda.
Toy Garage, Toy Sport.
Got Tommy right here
How's it going?
with one of the lowest KPs that I've ever seen. With the cleanest engine bay, stock carb just all cleaned up, and that's what it's all about, just enjoying it.
It's fast.
Yeah, no, I remember this car a long time ago. But yeah, it looks and sounds good. Yeah,
Good
all
paint job.
stock. Alright, so 2GR power. This thing has a V6 out of a Camry. RAV4, Sienna, whatever you want. The transmission usually bolts right on. So pretty much it's a Lotus. What are your thoughts, Jason? You have this car, you have this engine.
Got a lot of space for it.
Activities.
Yeah.
This is a Survivor. Check out these little details here. How many people are behind me? That's how packed it is here. A sea of people. Isuzu Jimny has the jack right there. We're probably halfway through and there's a lot more cars to see. Literally. Where it's at. Got the Datsun trucks here. My brother should have entered his Chinook. See this? This is a Japanese classic car. And so is that. And so is that. looks
Made
like
it happen,
it looks like a car.
Yeah.
This thing was in pieces when I saw it last week. Just on Sunday.
Remind me FD days.
Yeah. We got John from JSP just pulling out billet valve covers out of a Nintendo backpack. Extra points for AC. Hell yeah. AC ITB. Got this BBS slip mat for turntables for my brother. Oh yeah, yeah. The dummy cars. They're better than Hot Wheels. Tommy car is better than Hot Wheels. Check out the line for the food. That's just for the food. Can't forget, I gotta pick up my bumpers. Andy, where's the alternator? Oh damn, it's tucked underneath there. Check out the interior, dude. This is C3 booth. This one I think I'm done. I gotta take a picture of this Calpico 510. And eventually I have a Celica now, the original automotive plastic surgeon. What's up? Clock, you gotta get off the phone. Off the market lens and toy garage. Bumpers, yes. Front and rear. Awesome. Walking around shopping, even got a pin. I'll say that's my car, sure. Secure the package. The panic booth.
Let's go.
What's going on?
Dude, chilling.
Let's go. Where are we going?
Right here.
Where are we going?
Japanese classic car show.
Okay, boys, all in all, a good day. We got this roll panel, front and rear bumper for the Celica, and some slip mats.